السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وإذن سلام رتلدي تلادة أصحاب تدمانتين ملك تدون كجوكتين أسبوع أنا حنكهاد ليا a sister أو motorcycle rider أو صوماليات أو حجابي أو also a concealed license gun carrier أنا you know I'm always for that. عدي أيها لبعتك قبض أيها طالع but I believe in protecting ourselves. So motorcycle كواكا وردة لي رهدا والله قبلين إلهي اسكدايو وحول با ويسمين كران you can do anything وحول با سمين كرتين يعني نقول شيء وحام سمين كرتين وحول با سمين كرتا سكايغا ويا ليميتكم ميل والبا أديات جاري كرتا واحد دون تين نفط هذا أجكشن وسمين كرتا إلهي إنه كحرناو بنو آدم كان أنت أو نيس يرسك أدتك ما يرها كفجو هذه كان إسامن مركب. Look at that. MashaAllah. Our sister, the first and the only motorcycle rider. Look at that. Somali hijabi warda. The sister has motorcycle with 5 years. So sister or Alan Gadar would Somali. Hijab كذا وحرنتها. بهاش الأساس يقولون she also a carrier. MashaAllah, tabarakallah.
And I need more Somali sisters.
I'm one.
Oh, Muna, you're gonna train Muna in a Nokoto, another sister or Anik Balko Kabbalah.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'm scared.
It took me 2 years to actually to the speed and everything else.
What is the most scary thing about it?
That's kakaleska ilali. Because if they can't hear you, they might hit you.
Oh, you see, that's a good tip. I will never think وحاس وحندي لا باش أنا تعب سيدان كقبو مو بقول لهن وحن سكتشري وحكله ما شاء الله. It's so great to meet you in person and now your experience.
Always ride with women.
نمانك سكيلالي.
The reason why is they're adrenaline junkies, so they want to go fast and they don't want to do stupid things. So always women's only ride.
How do you protect yourself?
I have gear.
And you're gone. You know what's the gear? And I don't know number telephone but our sister Warda waxay tiri you always have to have your gear, your helmet, your jacket and your gun. So she is a concealed license carrier. So do I believe in everybody should protect themselves. So keep on training yourself, safety first, and then you can have your concealed license. Come on ladies, well done.